With the summer approaching and my body starting its journey through going through menopause, I had to try these bladeless fans. A quick disclaimer here, I received this product free to try. So it has a charging cable and instructions here. It says fully charged before initial use. So this is the charging spot here. Here is the button and it has left and right. All right, let me find the button. Oh, this is the first, second, third. I'm gonna wear it not only outside but inside as well, and it looks like it's gonna be a great gift. It comes in a great box, and being hands-free, you can work and you can still get the cool air. It feels very refreshing when working, so you can use it not only outside but indoors as well.